Millions of people are about to watch a blood moon tonight. Except it's not a blood moon. And the difference could have gotten Columbus executed. These are 15 facts about the August 2026 lunar eclipse that NASA actually verified and that nobody is talking about. Stay till fact number 11. It will genuinely disturb you. Fact 1. The 93% illusion. The August 28, 2026 eclipse is technically partial. But here is the mind-blowing part. 96.2% of the moon's surface area will be swallowed by Earth's shadow. It will look almost identical to a total blood moon, but one tiny sliver of the moon will remain sunlit. Astronomers call it the deepest partial lunar eclipse until December 2028. It is the ultimate cosmic fake-out. Fact 2. Earth's shadow is 1.4 million kilometers long. Yes, you heard that right. Earth casts a shadow stretching 1.4 million kilometers into space. That is nearly 4 times the distance to the moon. Every lunar eclipse 2026 brings is just the moon physically entering this colossal dark cone. And unlike a solar eclipse, the entire night side of Earth can watch this simultaneously. Fact 3. The moon doesn't go black. It goes red. During the deepest phase, the moon glows copper red. Why? Because Earth's atmosphere acts like a giant lens. It bends red light, the longer wavelengths that survive our air, around the planet and onto the lunar surface. You are literally watching every sunrise and every sunset on Earth simultaneously projected onto the moon. How is that for some blood moon facts? Fact 4. The moon's temperature drops 200 degrees Celsius in minutes. The moon has no atmosphere to trap heat. When Earth's shadow sweeps across the surface, the temperature plummets from a scorching 127 degrees Celsius down to approximately -73 degrees in just a matter of minutes. That is a swing of 200 degrees Celsius. NASA literally uses this thermal shockwave to study the composition of the lunar surface. Fact 5. Columbus used the lunar eclipse to terrorize an entire nation. In 1504, Christopher Columbus was stranded in Jamaica, starving. Using an astronomical almanac, he predicted an upcoming lunar eclipse. He warned the local Taino people that his god would turn the moon blood red as punishment for their refusal to supply food. When the eclipse began, the Taino were struck with terror and begged him to restore the moon, agreeing to supply his crew forever. He relented exactly when the eclipse ended. Fact 6. Mesopotamian kings faked their own deaths. The ancient Mesopotamians believed the lunar eclipse was a direct omen that the king would die. Their solution? They appointed a substitute king, a decoy ruler placed on the throne to absorb the cosmic curse. Once the eclipse passed, the substitute was often quietly executed to make the omen come true. Kings faked their own deaths to survive the night. Fact 7. The Inca beat their dogs to scare away a space jaguar. The Inca believed a giant celestial jaguar was eating the moon during an eclipse, which is why it turned red. To stop the jaguar from descending to Earth, they would beat their dogs to make them howl and bang weapons on the ground to scare the beast away. They genuinely believed the moon needed rescuing. But here's where it gets really dark. Fact 8. This eclipse is part of an 18-year cosmic recycling system. This August 2026 lunar eclipse belongs to Saros Series 138. The Saros cycle repeats every 18 years, 11 days, and 8 hours, when the Sun, Earth, and Moon return to nearly identical geometry. Ancient Babylonians discovered this and predicted eclipses millennia before telescopes existed. Fact 9. You are watching 2 eclipses, not one. This is the second eclipse of the month. Just 16 days earlier, a total solar eclipse swept across Europe. Eclipses always come in pairs because of eclipse seasons, 34-day windows when the moon's orbital plane intersects Earth's path. You are living inside an eclipse season right now. Fact 10. If you stood on the moon tonight, you would see Earth go dark. Pause here. What do you think an astronaut sees? From the moon, an astronaut would watch Earth completely block out the sun. Earth's edges would glow with a fiery red halo. They would see a black Earth rimmed in red fire while being plunged into darkness and 200 degrees of cold. Fact 11. The moon shouldn't be red. It should be invisible. Without Earth's atmosphere, the moon would vanish completely into darkness during an eclipse. You would see nothing. It is only the thin 8-kilometer shell of air around our planet that catches and bends sunlight, painting the moon red. If Earth lost its atmosphere overnight, the next lunar eclipse would show us a completely black sky. We don't see the moon during an eclipse. We see Earth's atmosphere glowing on the moon. Fact 12. The moon is drifting away, and eclipses are dying. The moon moves 3.8 centimeters farther away from Earth every year. In approximately 600 million years, the moon will be too far away for total lunar eclipses to occur. We are living inside a rare, temporary window of the universe. Future intelligent life on Earth will never see one. Fact 13. A lunar eclipse proved the Earth is round in 350 BC. Aristotle used the curved shape of Earth's shadow on the moon as proof that Earth is spherical. The shadow is always circular, which is only possible if Earth itself is a sphere. This was the first scientifically rigorous proof of Earth's shape, predating Columbus by over 1,800 years. Fact 14. The moon's orbital tilt is why we don't have an eclipse every month. The moon's orbit is tilted 5.14 degrees relative to Earth's. In most months, the moon passes above or below Earth's shadow. An eclipse only occurs when the moon crosses the exact intersection points of these tilted planes. Miss by even half a degree? No eclipse. Fact 15. You can watch this without any equipment. For free. Unlike a solar eclipse, a lunar eclipse is 100% safe to view with the naked eye. The August 28th event will be visible across North America, South America, Europe, and Africa. Peak coverage is at 12:12 a.m. Eastern Time. Just look up. And as a bonus, here is the script for our upcoming viral YouTube short about fact number 4. The moon has no atmosphere. So when Earth's shadow hits it tonight, the surface goes from plus 127 degrees Celsius to negative 73 degrees in just a few minutes. That is a 200-degree drop in minutes. NASA literally uses this thermal shockwave, tracked by the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, to steady the moon's rocky surface. That's hotter than boiling water to colder than dry ice, and the time it takes to make a sandwich. There are 14 more facts about tonight's eclipse that are even more messed up. Link in bio to watch the full video. Which fact shattered your brain? Drop the number below in the comments. And if you want more mind-blowing space facts and WT facts that actually matter, hit that subscribe button right now. We expose the truth behind the universe every single week. See you in the next one.